Let's dive right in. Have you ever pondered why we age? It's a riddle of life that has left scientists baffled for years. They've formulated theories such as accumulated damage, programmed process, the intriguing concept of developmental bioelectricity, the groundbreaking epigenetic information theory, and the curious telomere theory. Even artificial intelligence could have a part to play in enhancing health and prolonging human lifespan. Let's not forget, our comprehension of aging is still in its infancy. The knowledge we possess today may simply be a tiny fragment of a vastly larger enigma. First, we explore Michael Levin's theory, which looks at aging from a developmental bioelectricity perspective. Michael Levin posits that aging is not merely a result of wear and tear, but rather a programmatic phenomenon deeply rooted in our biological systems. This theory draws upon the concept of bioelectricity, which refers to the electric currents and fields produced by cells and tissues within living organisms. Levin's research suggests that these bioelectric signals play a critical role in the development and regeneration of organisms. Levin's perspective shifts the focus from genetic mutations and damage accumulation, common in traditional aging theories, to the role of bioelectricity in guiding cellular behavior. His work explores how bioelectric signals regulate cell growth, migration, and even specialization during embryonic development. But what does this have to do with aging? Well, Levin proposes that as organisms mature, certain bioelectric signals may change or become less efficient, leading to the aging process. If we could understand and manipulate these signals, we might be able to influence the aging process itself. Levin's theory also opens up exciting avenues for regenerative medicine. By harnessing and modifying these bioelectric signals, we might be able to stimulate the regeneration of damaged or aged tissues, potentially restoring them to a youthful state. This perspective on aging is still relatively new, and much more research is needed to fully understand the implications. However, it offers a fresh and promising approach to understanding why and how we age. While Levin's theory paints a fascinating picture, it's not the only perspective in town. Let's move on to another equally intriguing theory. Next up is David Sinclair's theory, which posits that loss of epigenetic information can drive aging, but restoration can reverse it. Imagine a library filled with books. Each book contains a unique story, but over time the pages become worn, the ink fades, and the narratives become less clear. This is a simplified metaphor for the concept of epigenetics and aging. In our bodies, our genes, the books, remain the same throughout our lives. However, the epigenome, a set of chemical compounds that tell our genome what to do, is akin to the ink that fades over time. As we age, this epigenetic information can get lost or muddled, leading to the signs and symptoms we associate with getting older. David Sinclair, a professor of genetics, has dedicated his research to understanding this process. His work suggests that the primary driver of aging in mammals is not necessarily mutations in the DNA, but rather these epigenetic changes. Interestingly, Sinclair's research also presents a tantalizing possibility. If the loss of epigenetic information can cause aging, then could restoring this information reverse it? This is not as far-fetched as it sounds. In fact, Sinclair and his team have experimented with gene therapy to reverse epigenetic changes in mice, restoring their organs and tissues to a youthful state. This approach is akin to using a bookmark to remember our place in a book, or perhaps even a master copy of the text to restore the faded ink. Sinclair's research suggests that our cells might have a sort of backup copy of this epigenetic software, which could potentially allow aged cells to reboot into a youthful state. But what does this mean for our understanding of aging? Sinclair's theory challenges the traditional view that aging is a one-way street. Instead, it introduces the idea that we might be able to pause or even rewind the biological clock. Sinclair's theory indeed offers a different lens to view aging, but what if the secret to aging lies within our chromosomes? Let's find out next. Now we turn our attention to the telomere theory of aging, which proposes that the shortening of telomeres, protective caps at the ends of our chromosomes, is a key driver of aging. Imagine our chromosomes as shoelaces, and telomeres as the plastic tips at the ends, known as aglets. Just as aglets prevent shoelaces from fraying, telomeres protect our DNA from degradation during cell division. However, each time a cell divides, these telomeres shorten. When they become too short, the cell can no longer divide and becomes inactive or dies. This process is thought to be a key driver of aging. This theory is supported by the observation that telomeres shorten as we age, and individuals with shorter telomeres have been found to be at a greater risk of age-related diseases. Moreover, studies have shown that cells can become immortal if the enzyme telomerase, which lengthens telomeres, is active. This is often seen in cancer cells, suggesting a complex relationship between aging, telomere length, and disease. The telomere theory of aging provides a fascinating insight into the biological process of aging. It suggests that by understanding and perhaps manipulating telomere length and telomerase activity, we could potentially slow down or even reverse the aging process. However, it's important to note that while telomere shortening is a hallmark of aging, it is not the only factor. Other processes such as oxidative stress and inflammation also play crucial roles. Thus, the telomere theory of aging should be considered as one piece of the aging puzzle, contributing to our overall understanding of this complex process. Each of these theories offers a unique perspective on aging, but how about the future? How might advancements in technology help us live healthier and longer lives? In the words of Sam Altman, AI has the potential to have a significant positive impact on our quality of life. Altman, CEO of OpenAI, believes that the development of artificial intelligence will enhance our capabilities, and in turn, promote healthier and longer lives. The cornerstone of his theory lies in the transformative power of AI to revolutionize the way we approach health and longevity. AI, as Altman envisions, is not merely a tool for automation, it's a catalyst for innovation, capable of accelerating medical research, revolutionizing diagnostics, and personalizing treatment plans. Imagine an AI system capable of deciphering our genetic code, identifying potential health risks, and suggesting personalized preventative measures. This isn't a far-fetched dream, it's a foreseeable reality. Moreover, AI could potentially unlock the secrets of aging by sifting through volumes of genetic data, identifying patterns and correlations that human researchers could easily miss. This could lead to breakthroughs in understanding the mechanisms of aging and possibly how to slow it down or even reverse it. But it's not just about longevity. It's about improving the quality of our extended lives. AI could assist in managing chronic conditions, predicting health crises before they occur, and ensuring that our golden years are truly golden. Altman's vision of AI is a beacon of hope in our quest for health and longevity. It's a vision that embraces technology as an ally in our pursuit of a longer, healthier life. But as with any powerful tool, AI also comes with potential risks. Altman acknowledges these, emphasizing the need for engaging with world leaders and policymakers to ensure the development of AI is guided by principles of safety, transparency, and fairness. While these theories and ideas are fascinating, they also raise thought-provoking questions about the future of human lifespan. What does the future hold for human lifespan? How long would you like to live if your body didn't age? As we have seen, these are not just idle fantasies or sci-fi musings. From developmental bioelectricity to epigenetic information and telomere theories, the scientific community is tirelessly exploring the enigma of aging. Artificial intelligence, too, is joining the fight against time, with the potential to significantly improve our quality of life. We've seen thought leaders like Sam Altman championing the cause, envisioning a future where AI enhances our capabilities and aids in our pursuit of longevity. These advancements challenge our understanding of what it means to be human. They offer tantalizing glimpses of a future where disease could be eradicated, physical and mental abilities enhanced, and perhaps even the merging of humans and machines. Imagine a future where aging is not a foregone conclusion, but a process that can be slowed, stopped, or even reversed. A future where our lifespan is not dictated by the relentless ticking of a biological clock, but by our desires, our dreams, our will to live. Are you ready to see the future? We hope you enjoyed this exploration of the mysteries of aging. Until next time, keep asking questions and seeking answers.